hello everyone. My name is Pritam and welcome to another video of the C programming playlist. In this video, we are going to start writing our first C program. So let's open the VS Code and let's talk about that. Okay. And by the way, if you are new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that every video could be reached with notification. Okay. So yeah, let's just get started. So here we are having a folder which I have created. And let's right click here and open with code. If you are not having this option in your PC, then I would really recommend you to watch the playlist video, which is the second video, I guess. There I have discussed how to install and how to set up the Visual Studio Code, which we are going to use for the entire playlist. If you haven't watched it and if you haven't customized your VS Code, I would really recommend you to do it as soon as possible. Okay. So we are going to right click here and open with code. So here I am going to create a file which is first program.c. So why C? C is the extension of the C program. Okay. So yeah, now let's start typing our code, which is we are going to start by hash include stdio.h between the angular bracket, and then we are going to write int main, then it's parenthesis and then curly braces, and then press enter. And there you have to write, for example, if I write printf, this is our first program. Okay. So what exactly it is? This is called preprocessor directive. Okay, preprocessor directive, and here it is the main function. All the lines, all the things which we are going to write, we are going to write inside the main function. Okay, and the main function has been enclosed by these curly braces. So you have to write inside these curly braces so that every single line would have to be under this parenthesis. Okay. So here this is the this is our first program. So this is actually a statement, and in C all the statement. Okay. So just like our English language. Okay. What we do that when we have to complete any sentence, we have to press the dot. Similarly, in case of C language, when you have to complete any statement, these are called statements. Okay, you have to put a semicolon to show that yeah, this is the end of the statement. Otherwise, you will find an error in the program, which is called compilation error. Okay. And after that we have to press we have to write return 0, and then let's save it, which is Control S, and we are going to run here. Okay, so I'm just using my keyboard shortcut and I'm just running. Okay, so I'm sorry, here it is not print, it should be printf. Okay, print actually is a function in Python, so by mistake I have done that. I'm really sorry for that. Yeah, so we have to run it. Yeah, so this is our first program. This line has been read out. So what exactly printf does? The printf means actually print function. Okay, and by the way, all these are called comments. Okay, single line comments, which has been started by double slash. Okay, now if you want to write comments, there are two types of comment, which is a single line comment, which is a multiple line comment. There are two types of comments. Okay, so multiple line comments can start by this, and here we can write there printf function is used to print anything in C. Okay, so here I can go to another line. I can write other things as well. So printf means print function which is under stdio.h header file. Okay, and then I have to close it. So here, as you can see that I have started by slash and then asterisk, and after that I have written multiple lines, and after that I have ended this comment, which is called multiple line comment actually, and this is called actually single line comment. Okay, all the codes will be there in my Telegram channel. I hope you can see the Telegram channel username below there in the downside. So yeah, so just saying that. So this is a single line comment, these are multiple line comments. Actually what printf actually does that, printf prints all the thing. So within this double quote, if you write anything, okay, all the things will be printing out. For example, if I write I am Pritam Paul dot, and I am giving another many spaces, and I'm just writing anything rubbish. Okay, so all these things will be printed out. So you can see here what I am putting inside the double quote, all the things are getting printed out. Okay, for example, if I write hello world, which is a typical code you might have seen in every playlist of C or C++ or Python or Java. Okay, so hello world, we are going to print it. So yeah, hello world has been printed out, as you guys can see. Yeah, this is the basic thing which you are going to have. So yeah, that's it. This is the first program. I hope you have understood. By the way, if you haven't understood what exactly it is, why it is I am called Professor Direct and stdio.h is a header file. So now what is header file? I am not going to discuss it right now, but we will be discussing about the header files in upcoming videos. Don't worry, when I feel that you are quite enough sufficient knowledge you are having right now to understand what exactly header files are, then I will discuss it. Right now you just tell yourself that, yeah, these are the things which I need to write. Okay, by the way, to run any code you do not need all these comments which I have written over here. Okay, I have written them actually just to make you understand. Okay, comments actually basically are being used in the programs just to make others understand that what exactly we are going to write and what we are writing, what kind of things we are doing. Every single thing we are trying to put some comments. So now what exactly comments are? Comments are the parts actually which the compiler, the C compiler, will ignore while running the code. See, the code is getting run. Okay, so that's the main purpose of the comment. Comments are being ignored. So you can see that single line comment means the whole line, it will be ignored by the compiler. Multiple line means all the lines which I have written between this and this, everything is going to be ignored by the compiler. Okay, so that's the main purpose of comment, and that is the main purpose of using them. Is the main purpose of using these comments are to increase the readability of the program. So that's it. Yeah, so yeah, this much for today guys, and see you in the next video.